retired military, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Guard, Coast Guard, active, separated, retired. We have a big mission, and it's to give back to our veterans, give back to our military, and show them what they need to do financially, because we know that the civilian sector is affected by what's going on financially, but the military members that are deploying to Iraq, Afghanistan, going to the AOR, they're affected when they come back home, and their finances are not right because they was deployed and could not pay for it. Pay their expenses, pay their bills, pay their debts. But now we have a company that can get them back on track. So I want to introduce the guy that's going to help us do it, Mr. Brian House.
All right. Well, Mr. Bailey, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And for all the veterans that are watching out there, I just want to thank you for your service. It's greatly appreciated. But what our company wants to do is we want to help to give back. We want to help people that have served in the military, as well as any consumer out there, get their finances back into the best shape possible. And we provide an easy system that you can plug into with all the experts and strategies that actually do the work for you. Whether you're struggling with credit or debt issues or overpaying on your taxes, or maybe you just want to be able to save or invest better for retirement, we have everything you need in order to be able to make that happen. And most importantly, we've made it affordable where you and your spouse can participate, because we know that if you're a married couple in the military, that both of you are serving, not just one of you.
That's right. Well, I know I salute you. Thank you for everything, and I appreciate you. Thank you, and God bless.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Man, I was cool.
And to reach you?
Yes, if you want to reach me, contact me at 240-422-5159. Again, 240-422-5159. Thank you. Never